Bus continues here, joined by our great sponsor, Walner Law. John Walner, what do you have for us?
What we have today is the $10,000 to give to the Greater Chicago Food Depository to help those families that are finding food insecurity at this time of year.
Fantastic. And Sophie, each dollar is 3 meals. That's 30,000 meals. John, thank you so much for your donation and being a sponsor of this event. Make sure you guys come out and be a part of Fill a Bag, Fill a Bus with you. Let's hear it for Walner Law. Of course, also joining us, John Walner from Walner Law. John, you made a great donation today. Thank you so much for that. And I mean, if you're out there serving the people, making sure people get their justice, why is it important for you in your practice to participate in events like this?
First of all, thank the youth for allowing me to donate $10,000 today to feed, 30,000 meals to those people in need in Chicagoland area that have food insecurity. But I just want to say, look at what's going on. I see the people, hundreds of people since I've been here in the last hour come and fill a bag and put in this bus. It's so impressive. So I want to tell you, for many years, over 10 years in a row, Walner Law is providing to the citizens of Chicago. Last week, he gave around 2,000 jackets out in Englewood. At Thanksgiving time, we gave out 400 bags of groceries and a $40 gift certificate for people to buy proteins, chicken, ham, turkey. They were constantly involved in Safe Haven in Chicago, toys at Children's Lurie Hospital, and this is another opportunity for Walner Law to help feed the hungry and the food insecure, and thanks to you and the wonderful job they're doing in promoting this, to let people know to come out here, Jewel and Oak Lawn, fill a bag, fill a bus, because you're helping Chicago and you'll feel good about yourself.
That's absolutely right, John. What is it that makes you most passionate about it? I mean, think about your first day in law school to today. What is it that keeps the passion going? Why do you love giving people and bringing people the justice they deserve?
Listen, man, this is, you hit the nail on the head. Ever since I was in a law clerk or in law school or a lawyer, you are helping those people that no one has their back. No one has ever had their back. No one has ever said, we're going to fight for you. We're going to go to court. We're going to get you justice. We're going to get what you're due. And that's where we come in. And this is what everyone in my firm is committed to. So this makes me feel proud. It makes me feel happy. And everyone in my firm is excited to do this. I'm telling you, George, this is a great thing. Please pan this camera one more time to what's going on.
I mean, John, we just got started here.
This is amazing.
We're barely an hour or two into this. This bus is going to fill out. John, thank you so much once again. We're going to be here all day long. Your donation is fantastic. $10,000, that's 30,000 meals that Walner Law has provided. Unbelievable. Fill a Bag, Fill a Bus continues here at the Jewel Osco in Oak Lawn, 103rd and Cicero. Make sure you come on out. If you can't come out, use the QR code on your screen or text FAB to 91471. I'm standing here with our sponsor here from Walner Law, John Walner. What are we going to do today?
Fill a bag, fill a bus.